Hey Mountaineers! Are you majoring in human nutrition and foods or pursuing an H&F minor? If so, I have great news. There are numerous opportunities to get involved in your field of study. Today, I'm excited to share various ways you can gain experience as an H&F student that will enhance both your academic and personal journey at West Virginia University. Joining the SAND Club, participating in the Community Dietitian Mentorship Program, and volunteering at the fueling station for WVU Sports Nutrition are just a few highlighted opportunities that can provide you with unique and rewarding experiences at WVU. In college, connecting with your peers is not only a wonderful way to forge lasting friendships, but it also brings diverse perspectives to the table in an engaging way. Joining clubs on campus is a great starting point for this journey, just as I did with various organizations. WVU's Student Association of Nutrition and Dietetics, also known as SAND, is the club in the Human Nutrition and Foods Department that promotes health awareness through nutrition and dietetics on and off campus. Through this organization, you will collaborate with peers of the H&F major in program ideas that will benefit the campus and local community. Students have participated in events like Track or Treat, handing out candy to trick-or-treaters from Morgantown. They've also prepared sandwiches and goodie bags for the multidisciplinary unsheltered homeless relief outreach in Morgantown and regularly post healthy recipes on their social media. SAND also dedicates time for bonding activities among members, helping us foster and strengthen our relationships. This includes a fun welcome back barbecue, a lively smoothie making night, and the entertaining Pie Your President event. These activities are enjoyable and offer a great way to de stress while connecting with fellow members in a relaxed atmosphere. In addition to campus organizations, there are also chances to engage with professionals in your field. If you are enthusiastic about the community service side of nutrition, finding a professional mentor could be the perfect opportunity for you. The Community Dietitian Mentorship Program, hosted by the campus dietitian, gives students a chance to gain hands on experience in the community and explore the vital roles we play as nutrition students and health advocates. As the co-founder for this program, alongside Leanne Scott, our campus dietitian, we recognize the need to bridge the gap between professionals and students in the H&F department. Monthly meetings are held where a group of selected H&F students get to sit down with Ms. Scott and discuss how we can make reforms on campus regarding the area of comprehensive nutrition education. This semester, students are participating in various projects, including the emotional eating workshop with collegiate recovery, tabling at the mountain lair, providing weight management counseling, writing blog posts, and presenting to club sports, among other activities. If any of this interests you, apply today. Do you love volunteering? If so, you're in for a great opportunity. You can get involved with WVU athletic sports through a consistent volunteering program. Becoming a WVU fueling station volunteer is a fantastic way to support student athletes, contribute to the athletic community, and gain valuable experience along the way. You can either volunteer for WVU Olympic sports or WVU football. As a fueling station volunteer, you will have responsibility of maintaining the fueling station, which includes pre and post workout food options for our student athletes, as well as making nutrient-dense snacks and or drinks. We prepare a range of foods, including energy bites, chocolate-covered strawberries, and the popular Whip It Up Wednesday protein smoothies and shakes, along with many other delicious and nutritious options. Alongside being a volunteer, you get to work directly with the director and assistant director of nutrition in the athletic field. Through your volunteer work, you'll have the opportunity to educate athletes on cooking and grocery shopping, deliver tailored nutrition presentations, and complete bod pod training. When looking to immerse yourself in your area of interest beyond the classroom, it can be easier than you think. West Virginia University is thrilled to support students in exploring their passions through clubs, professional collaborations, and volunteering. While the H&F department may be small and getting started might feel a bit daunting, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you right at your doorstep.